In the face of danger, every second counts. Join us for an in-depth journey with ProTech to witness the transformation of a property before, during, and after our world-class restoration services. Water damage doesn't discriminate. From relentless storms to unseen pipe breakages, homes can quickly be turned upside down, leaving homeowners overwhelmed and looking for someone to turn to for help. When disaster strikes, ProTech's emergency response team is primed for action. Within an hour, our professionals are on site addressing the water source and initiating the inspection process, as well as securing the sources of electricity and gas to your home, unseen hazards from becoming life-threatening dangers. Stopping the damage's progression is our foremost priority. Every item has a story. Our team meticulously salvages what we can, preserving your memories and valuables from the clutches of water damage. While some items might be lost, our dedication ensures maximum recoverability of your items and providing comfort in turbulent times. Mold is not just an unsightly aftermath of water damage. These microscopic invaders pose health risks and threats to the structural stability of your property. Understanding the science behind mold growth allows our experts to counteract it effectively in your property. Post-recovery, the drying phase commences, ensuring no moisture remains. But drying is just the start. Damaged materials must be removed to ensure a home's safety and long-term beauty. This phase, though seemingly destructive, is the bedrock for rebuilding and rejuvenating your property. With a deeper understanding of mold and a cleared environment, our specialists treat your home from top to bottom to prevent future mold infestations. This is not just cleanup, it's proactive protection. Rebuilding is an art. Our craftsmen, with meticulous precision, restore your property to its former glory and beyond. From remnants to radiance, witness the ProTech difference. Precision, quality, satisfaction. Our job is not complete until every detail meets ProTech's gold standards. Your peace of mind is our ultimate goal. Restoration is more than just fixing homes. It's rebuilding lives. Listen to our stories of those who've worked with us before.
There was no issues. It was, again, we got everything in and out of here as fast as we could. We did lose some things, some personal things that happens with a flood, but
Sure.
As far as what ProTech was doing, we had no concerns whatsoever.
I liked your response time. Like, you came out, awesome. You were the only guy that would return our call. I felt like you were really responsive.
Okay.
And not just initially, but throughout the whole process.
Yeah.
I mean, you're very open, both you, Manny, all the other guys. They're very, even the other, all the workers were professional and answered questions. And
They're great. I would recommend ProTech, definitely.
From chaos to comfort, ProTech stands as your unwavering ally in the face of water damage. Discover, experience, and trust in ProTech's expertise. We're here for your tomorrow, today.